Hi friends, good morning all of you. So I am here to give you more details about subject-wise test series. As you know, I have published a 40 days study plan 4 days, 5 days back. That is from 10th April onwards, within 40 days, how to cover 100% of syllabus for both IPCC, intermediate students and IPCC. I have given a day-wise study plan, and also for the in that 40 days of plan, last 10 days is for mock test. So there is a lot of good feedback about that, and students are saying that is really helping them a lot. And in the same video and in the same study plan also, I mentioned that there is going to be a test series in all the papers. So for CA intermediate new syllabus students, we have completely changed the pattern, completely changed the plan, completely changed the question papers also. So this is a brand new test series. It is not like the previous test series what we have conducted. So the idea here is, I have taken the full syllabus. I have divided the full syllabus into around 7 to 8, parts. And in taxation, because the volume is huge, taxation includes both direct taxes and indirect taxes. Because the volume is huge, I have cut that into 10 parts. So the plan is, first you will have topic-wise examinations, and there will be 7 to 8 examinations in every subject, which is followed by a model exam. So the mock test will be conducted for 100 marks, and the normal topic wise exam will be conducted for 40 marks, 35-40 marks, which is for, typically 1 hour 10 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, you should be able to write this exam. So this is an example schedule for CA intermediate paper 1 accounting. So if you look here, exam up to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, they are topic wise examinations, and the 8th one is mock test. So this is for accounts. Now let me show you for the other subjects as well. For example, if you take for taxation, how this will be. In taxation, if you look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 normal exams topic wise, and the 10th one will be mock test. So whether it contains 8 exams or 7 exams or 10 exams or whatever it is, including mock test, we are charging 399 rupees. So the advantage here is you can easily identify. The first part is on profit or loss, pre and post incorporation, accounting for bonus issue and rights issue. Both of them are easy topics. So if you look at the 7 days plan, your account syllabus has some 10 to 13-14 chapters. So each and every exam will have 2 topics. So on that 40 marks, that means exhaustively you will cover the whole chapter. Now imagine only profit or loss, pre and post incorporation, and bonus issue, rights issue. In these 2 chapters, if I have to conduct 40 marks, then obviously 6 to 7 questions will be there if I am giving 5 marks questions. And of course, in theory papers, we'll have MCQs also. So if I'm giving 5, 6, 7 or 8 questions in each exam, that means from every chapter you will write 3 to 4 questions in the examination. That means thoroughly, like how I studied, in Vedam it is said Karka Kasadara. If you are studying, Karka Kasadara means learn quite thoroughly. If you are learning, learn quite thoroughly. So my approach both as a student and as a lecturer is, you might not be able to cover 100% of the syllabus, but if you are covering 80% of the syllabus, your accuracy or your level of preparation in that particular topic should be 100%. For example, out of 10 chapters, Pavan sir, I study 9 chapters, I study 8 chapters. Is it okay? I say it is okay. It is okay. But that 8 chapters, you should be 100% thorough. But many students, what the mistake they do? They want to cover 10 chapters with 60% accuracy. Now, in costing, equivalent production concept is there, no? 100% with 60% accuracy is equivalent to 60. 8 chapters with 100% accuracy is equivalent to 80. You tell me which is better. So this test series will definitely make you thorough in that particular topic. Now, so many students are asking, Pavan sir, how to write the examinations, how to send the answer sheets, how the evaluation takes place and all. I'll clear everything today, okay? There are 2 options. First option is you ask me dates, I will tell you date on so and so date, so and so examination will be conducted. Like that, I can send one Excel sheet to you. But imagine different students register for this course on different days, no? For example, some student is watching this in YouTube after 10 days or maybe on 1st of May, he will say, Pavan sir, I want to write examinations. For him, can I give 15th April date? No. That is the reason what I do is, I will send this schedule to you. You take a pen and paper and you yourself say, I will write this exam on so and so date, this exam on so and so date. So you take this paper, download it, you write the dates yourself. On this day, I'll write this examination, up to you. And till May examinations, one day before May examination also, if you write answers for this particular exam and if you send that to captestseries@gmail.com, that is our email ID, we will evaluate that. We'll send you along with, suggested answer. Suggested answer will be given to you. Evaluated answer sheet will be given to you. And if we have any specific points to mention for you to improve yourself and to get more marks, we'll write the comments, and with markers comments, the answer sheet, evaluated answer sheet will come back to you. Okay. So this is what is first option. I will give you dates. Second option, you write dates yourself. And then, Pavan sir, how to register for the course? Again, you have two options. One, download Cap Classes mobile app. In that, go to store. In that, courses are published. You can search test series. In search engine, if you put test series, all the test series will come. Some 2021 courses will be there. So whatever the paper you want, for example, if you want only CA Intermediate Cost and Management Accounting, just click Cost and Management Accounting. You can pay there. You can pay through using debit card, credit card, or any other payment gateway, payment mode also, like, UPI or Google Pay, anything. This is one. Even if you buy course through store in our app also, you have to scan and send paper to captestseries.com at gmail.com only. This is option 1. Option 2, you can just send a hi message in WhatsApp. 98467 91598 is my number. So to that number, if you send hi, we'll give all the details to you. You can pay money through Google Pay or Phone Pay or any other mode of bank transfer. And I will send you email of all the question papers. So my team, academic team, will send you all the question papers. You can write examination. Whenever you write examination, send the answer sheet. We'll evaluate and we'll give it to you. As I told you in 1-2 previous videos also, test series is one of the most effective ways to measure your level of preparation. Am I ready for exam or no? Ask yourself the question and write the examination. Test series will tell you whether you are up to the mark or no. Remember one thing. Failing in the main exam conducted by ICA is bad, but failing before that is still okay. Is still okay. If you are not questioning yourself now, if you are not putting a test to yourself now, how will you know whether you are up to the examination level mark or no? So that is the reason we are giving this test series to you for both CA IPCC and CA intermediate students. Whether you want group wise examinations or you want only subject wise examinations, that is up to you. If you want, Pavan sir, I am thorough with everything but only EIS SM, I have problem, I want to write only that, most welcome. So if you are old syllabus student, it will cost you 299 rupees. If you are new syllabus student, it will cost you 399 rupees. So I wish you good luck. And again, I am telling you, it is not matter about money for us. For us, it is the service what we do to the students. And I tell you, when you go on, some outing with your friends and all, even for a small movie also, you end up spending more than 299 rupees. But I sincerely suggest you, if it is for your, exam preparation or value addition, it is not spending money, it is investing money. You are investing 299 rupees for your own future. So I strongly recommend each and every student to download the study plans. That is free of cost. Follow the study plan. And if you want to write test series, you can please contact us either through WhatsApp or through that, mobile application store. Okay. Thank you very much. Wish you good luck. If you write the exam papers, we'll answer sheets, we'll evaluate that and we'll send it to you back. Okay. Thank you.